Make sure the airbag sign near the door. With special stitching method at backside to ensure the use of airbag. Arrange it in place from top to bottom to make the chair cover fit better. Just push it forward to take away 2 hooks under the seat. Pull out the Velcro and stick it with back cover. It's worth noting that to prevent the zipper from being damaged, you can make sure the cushion is in place before zipping it. Turn to base, place the short side near the armrest. Stuff the elastic bands and excess leather into the gaps as well. Thread the webbing under the seat and tighten it with the connecting buckle. Find the elastic belts through the gap on the side of the seat and secure it with a hook back. A small armrest box will further enhance the interior texture. Custom car seat cover for Tesla Model 3. First of all, for faster installation, you can use a tool with a pointed tip to remove the headrest. Put down the armrest and put the cover according to the opening position. And also smooth the leather from top to bottom to make it more fitting. Avoid child safety locks along the seam backward to stuff the pad. Find the webbing as a point of focus and pull the leather firmly to secure it. Once everything is in place, use Velcro to fix it easily. The small headrest is also separately covered and then put back on the seat. Make sure you have a properly covered, fix them in the same way. Fit the small headgear according to the original vehicle angle. This is a separate cup holder cover. Firstly, insert the lower cloth into the gap and fix it around the cup holder. also fixed well, and the air in the mat can be pressed out to fit better. Turn to bench. Lift up the front sides of the seat, releasing the connections that secure the seat to the bottom. Gently lift the front part and move it left and right to detach it from the fixed position at the bottom. Place a bench cover along the arc of the back seat. Attach the elastic bands and fasten the buckles underneath. Install securely in place, ensuring that the safety buckle is aligned on a straight line. To reinstall the seat, push the cushion backwards and firmly press it in place to ensure it is fully installed. Insert the cloth sleeve into the safety buckle's gap. Refresh the look, protect the interior.